good morning, everybody. Beautiful day here in Taylor, Arizona. We are celebrating the graduation and the job fair of the welding students for the NAVIT MPC welding program. We're celebrating all their wins, successes, Skills USA, all the way to the sculpture. So please join us next year. Come be part of this. It's great.
Hi, my name is Jason Sangster, and I'm the Business Manager, Financial Secretary at Ironworkers Local 75, and I'm the keynote speaker for today's ceremony. I just want to congratulate all of our welders. I myself, 23-year welder, also a 23-year member of Ironworkers Local 75. I just want to congratulate everybody who has came down today and congratulate the students for what they have done. Getting their certification, a lot of these guys have OSHA 10. They got their welding certification, they got their stick certs, working on their flux core, doing a real good job getting into pipe, getting into a lot of structural, and we're about to go up here right now and see the structures they did with NAVIT and the other courses that they have completed up here, and also go join the job fair. Originally from Holbrook, I graduated from Holbrook High School in 2001. I am a road runner. Went to school there all my life. After high school, I went down to Phoenix, Arizona, joined the Ironworkers Local 75 in around April of 2002. Started my career out as an apprentice, worked my way up through the apprenticeship to become a journeyman. After I finished my apprenticeship and became a journeyman, I did move into foreman's position, continued doing foreman position, worked throughout the whole United States, all over the West Coast, welding up and down. From Seattle down to San Francisco, and then I've been down to all the way down to San Diego, LA, just up and down multiple structures. I'm grateful for being on a lot of these jobs, and I've done a lot of buildings here in Arizona.
Skills USA, that's a nationally recognized competition for anybody that works with their hands, from welding to cosmetology, firefighting, carpentry. Of course, we represent welding. There's a welding individual, welding sculpture, welding fabrication. And MPC won all 3 gold events at the state competition this year. Congratulations to all the students, and we appreciate all the hard work.
Continue to keep on doing what you guys are doing. Keep your certification up to date. That's going to be the most important thing. Getting them signed off every 6 months, and then every year you want to get your certs updated. Make sure you keep the OSHA 10 up to date and any other certs that you have up to date. Those are going to be all the tools that are necessary to make it out in the real world out there when you're welding. It's going to be up to you to keep these certs up to date. So just continue doing what you guys are doing. You're doing a good job. Keep up the good work. Again, just thank you for inviting me here today.